What's up, guys? Welcome to HomeCraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can craft from the comfort of your own home. My name is Briss, and today we'll be going over the Margarita. The Margarita dates back to the early 20th century, sometime around the 1930s or so. The actual name Margarita just comes from the Spanish word for daisy. In the cocktail world, a daisy is simply a citrus juice with a liqueur or syrup paired with a spirit. So in this case, a margarita is a daisy. So the name Margarita is just Spanish for daisy. That's it, that's all. If you go online, you might find a plethora of different, folklores or stories about how someone coined the name Margarita because their wife's name was Margarita and he named it after his wife, or a whole bunch of other stuff. None of that can really be, proven to be true. So it is basically commonly held that Margarita just is the Spanish word for daisy, and that's it. The Margarita is actually a very popular cocktail, and for good reason. It tastes very good, it's fairly strong, and it's actually very easy to make. It only uses 3 ingredients. You have Blanco Tequila, orange liqueur, and lime juice. I usually actually prepare my lime juice ahead of time by squeezing it into a mason jar like this. But I actually did not get to that today, so I'll just be squeezing it on video. Now with your lime juice in particular, you generally want to stay away from store-bought lime juice or lemon juice for that matter. Even though they last a long time, because of all the preservatives and different chemicals that are within those bottles, the taste is actually extremely tart. Very artificial, does not taste like natural, real lime juice or lemon juice whatsoever. So I will always implore you to actually cut and squeeze your own limes and lemons yourselves for the best cocktail experience you can get. So on to making the margarita itself. First, you want to start off by pouring scooping ice into your shaker. 1 or 2 scoops will do. And then you want to pour 2 ounces of your Blanco Tequila. 1, 2. And next, you want to pour an ounce of your orange liqueur. I'm using Naranja. That's just a orange liqueur that's actually pretty strong. It's 40% alcohol. You can use, like I said, a plethora of other orange liqueurs like Triple Sec, Grand Marnier, Cointreau. There is a YouTube channel called How to Drink, where he actually released a video, I think about a year or so ago, could be longer, I'm not sure, where he used 7 different tequilas along with 4 different orange liqueurs to provide 28 different margaritas, all using the same recipe, but tasting different in each one. Great resource of a video if you are a margarita fan, if you want to, try and figure out which different tequilas or orange liqueurs you want to buy that best suits you. And just that channel is very informative and entertaining in general. So be sure to check him out whenever you get a chance. So we'll be pouring an ounce of orange liqueur into there as well. And then we'll be making our lime juice. Like I said, I usually cut my limes and squeeze them ahead of time, but I need a knife. For the sake right now, I will just press these on video. In terms of getting lime juice out of a lime, you want to roll it before cutting into it and squeezing it. Also, limes generally produce, I believe, about 3/4 of an ounce per lime. So to get an ounce of lime juice, I'll be using 1.5 limes. There's 1/2. There's another half. Also, I did not mention on my previous video for your, setting up your home bar, you definitely want a lime/lemon squeezer like this. You can get one off of Amazon for about $15 or so. Very instrumental piece of equipment to have in your home bar. as like I said, you want to have natural limes and lemons actually being squeezed, not store-bought lime and lemon juice. So we have we have an ounce of lime juice in our shaker now. For the leftover, actually, what we will do is you want to coat and this is completely optional, by the way, but you know, all of us love having, you know, salt rimmed glasses for margaritas. So just take that other piece of lime. You want to just kind of coat the inner and outer rim of your margarita glass. And this margarita glass you can get from your dollar store. You can get from your local dollar store, obviously for $1. So easy investment there. And then I also bought, you know, just margarita salt. You can use regular salt, but margarita salt in particular just has bigger flakes that kind of like latches on to the glass easier. Just in my experience. Like I said, completely optional. So once you have that on there, you have a nice coat all around. You can go over to the sink and kind of just like tap it to get off the excess salt flakes there. So now that we have our 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of orange liqueur, and 1 ounce of lime juice, you can go ahead and shake it up. You want to shake for about 7, maybe 10 seconds. Once the shaker actually gets cold, you've known that you should know that it's been fairly shaken well enough to produce the product that you're looking for. Then now all you have to do is strain it over your margarita glass. Like so. And then lastly, we're going to cut a small little lime wheel here. And this is not the sharpest knife. And cut a small piece there, and you'll just place it right on the rim there. And there you have margarita. All right, now let's try this out. Okay, so you definitely get that, you know, the sweet from the orange liqueur and the sour, obviously, from the lime juice. Great combination of flavor. Definitely packs a punch as well. Obviously, the tequila is 80 proof. The orange liqueur is 80 proof. And both of those together already compose 75% of the cocktail itself. So definitely, if you are a lightweight, I think one of these will be good enough for you. You'll probably be feeling pretty good after this. For my more heavier drinkers, even a few of these, I think like 3 margaritas to this magnitude, I think you'll definitely be feeling something for sure. So excellent drink. I would definitely, if I were to give this a rating from 1 to 5, I would say definitely a 4. 5 is like, say, for my, you know, just all-time favorite drinks, but margs are definitely up there. I love margaritas. Like I said, very easy to make, taste very good. Everyone loves them for good reason. So yeah, 4 out of 5, a very good drink. So thank you guys for joining me today. Let me know if you have any comments, any questions I can answer for you. But until then, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.